Simulation. It's a crucial part of turning the students of today into the healthcare professionals of tomorrow. But as important as simulation is, it must be coupled with reliable recording, debriefing, and assessment tools in order to be effective. SimCapture is a scalable platform for managing simulation centers. Record, debrief, and assess OSCEs and simulations with a suite of powerful tools designed specifically for healthcare education. SimCapture is simulator neutral, and unlike similar products, it can capture real medical devices. SimCapture is a 100% web-based solution with no third-party software to install. Capture and stream multiple angles of HD video in one or multiple simulation rooms at the click of a button, allowing you to debrief, annotate, assess, and generate reports on an individual learner or an entire class. And because SimCapture is mobile-friendly, you can do this anywhere at any time. SimCapture automatically tracks usage and outcomes by department, faculty, participant, and external organization, allowing your center's system administrators to generate reports and statistics on throughput, performance trends, utilization, and ROI at any time. SimCapture is the #1 choice of top hospitals, medical, and nursing schools. Contact us today for a free demonstration and consultation.